I need a harness bar.
Play-Doh?
Holy crap. What, you don't have 1,000? Hey, right there.
It was one of the main ones I was using, so I don't know how much I got, bro. Maybe just that one, man.
So, Jose finally decided to clean his lights.
You motivated me to clear my lights again.
Alright.
I wasn't gonna do it.
He just didn't wake up, because right now it's early in the morning, so he didn't just wake up. Tell him where you just came from, man.
Came from having breakfast. I think it's like, what, 11 o'clock?
Wait, you worked last night, right?
I woke up at 10:30 p.m. Right now it's 11 a.m. and we're still going at it, guys. We're trying to make things happen here. Trying. Underline trying.
We're gonna make his headlights look like new. And then I got Chino's other fender right here. This one has a few cracks, but I think we'll make it work. And yeah, Shoes Garage, guys.
Miss you, Fish. Where you at, man? We miss you over here, bro. We need your detail. Gotta sacrifice some things to get other things, bro.
I'm almost done with this headlight. Bam, there it is, man. There's your headlight.
I'm not done.
Nah, you can leave that. That's good.
Where are we going today, man? Gonna go
car meet.
Gonna hit up a meet?
Yep.
Gonna get into some trouble?
Alright, pop open the hood.
What's in there? Let's see what we got here. Shoes the master at this. So we're just gonna follow him and see what he does. See if we can learn anything. What is it, man? Pimples?
Yeah, man.
Pimples on it? Check out the before right there. Ugh. I'm going like this to the meat, guys. Round 2. Damn. Guys, Shu has a video on how to clear these, so go check it out. Super easy. I thought it was gonna be harder, but it's super easy. Go check that video out. Let's see what he's talking about. Let's see.
Imagine. I know you don't want to do it, but you have a clay bar right there. Clay your car. It'll take you like an hour to do a whole thing, right? Yeah. But, alright, clay the whole car, and then what if we do what we're doing to the headlights to the whole car? Not sanding though.
Yeah.
Just the...
We're not gonna sand the car, guys. Just give it a good...
Here, just look at the headlights.
Look at this shit, guys.
What if the whole car looked like that?
I don't know if she's nice enough to look this clean, guys.
I'll motivate you right now.
It's because look at all these rock chips.
No.
Look at all that shit.
I'll motivate you right now.
You can't fix that. So she was trying to motivate me. And he did this little spot right here. It looks super clean. Just I don't want to detail the whole car, but you can totally tell the difference. Like when you touch this right here, it's just like sand, dirt. Who knows what's on there? Then you touch this shit right here, it's like a baby's butt. It's so much better.
Shit. It's not even clayed, man.
It's such a difference, dude. It's so smooth.
Just go straight, man. Go straight. Hey. Take it easy. No pulls in here.
Get under there. just feeling it right now, and by the way it looks, that shit is rusty and...
Who peed on your tire, man?
That's fucked up, man. Which one out of all 10
It was probably Moki. So we're gonna try to take off Jose's exhaust. Let's see if we can make this car sound a little better. At least for the meat. Oh yeah. Is that it? It's weird because like but it doesn't. I got a limited quantity of these. All right. Make sure you know where you're gonna put it. Bam. You want something to clean your window with?
I got it right here, bro.
Okay.
Oh no, you know what? I do got something. Bro, this thing is loose. No, I can do it with my hands.
No wonder you have a leak.
No wonder. Hey, no wonder I have pelitos. What is this though? That might be the ground for my stereo. Don't get it. That thing's stripped, bro. It's stripped.
I don't know how to fix it. So we've been trying to take off the exhaust. We've been trying to take off the other bolt that's on here because it's held on by two. One right there, and then the one right here. But it's stripped. So check it out. We took out all the tools. This man right here has been trying.
He's in the heavy duty.
Heavy duty. We've used WD-40 and then the bolt strip. So what's left to do? Damn. Everybody knows. You ready for this, man?
No, dude, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. No.
What?
I don't know, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude, it's just I need to hit it on the other spots and then we're through.
Hey, you know what? No. You know what? Check it out. Drill a little bit more, and then later we grab a screwdriver and you hammer it and break it. We're gonna have fun tonight.
It's close, dude. Ow, motherfucker's hot! God damn! Burns the shit out of me, bro.
Hey, you tattooed yourself in She's Garage tattooing?
Look at it, dude. Look at this shit garage right here.
You were happy that day. You almost gave up on that, and then you almost gave up on coilovers, and you almost gave up on this right here.
Sometimes it's hard.
Nobody said it was gonna be easy. I'm gonna try to hammer it a couple more times with the screwdriver and hammer. And we'll see, cause I'm gonna do it. The only one, this one was doing work right here. It's just that the spot can't even hold it on.
I need a beer, bro. Let me see what happened. Boom! They're showing the evidence.
Damn, how long did that shit take you, man? How long?
Hour and a half.
Too long.
Hour and a half or two.
How long, Woody, huh? How long?
2 hours.
Now what?
2 hours later.
2,000 years later.
Oh, dude, I'm so happy.
Alright, pop it up, pop it up.
Oh. Oh.
Take it off, man, take it off.
Pop that shit.
Pop it.
Or should I leave it like that so it can...
It's gonna vibrate.
I was gonna give up like 4 times maybe.
Okay, I just want you to remember this. You did a lot of work, but what happened? You got it done. You got it done.
We got some.
All right, you got it done.
So now,
And now it's time to hear it. Oh, yeah. Oh, dude. Bruh,
it sounds like a V6. I've been waiting for this thing for a year.
oh, a couple.
Before your face.
A couple.
Go for it, go for it. Oh my God. This is crazy. Oh my God! We did it, guys. We did it. Don't ever give up. Just keep trying, little by little, you'll get there. Trust me. Soon.
Hey, man.
God,
Hey, what kind of exhaust do you have in there?
Tome, doc.
He's ready for the meat.
3 hours later.
What's up, guys?
What's up, bro? What's up,
What's up, man?
What's up, shoes? How you been?
All right. Dude, we're mobbing it deep today.
That's the whole team.
Yeah. So I guess there's 2 more people, but they're gonna meet us up over there.
All right.
So we're ready to take off.
Taking over now, or?
Yeah? Yeah. We made it.
That first pull was crazy when we got on the on-ramp. We lost one.
Hey.
Mercedes.
Hey.
We went straight.
Mini Cooper was here with us.
We gotta wait for Oscar.
ZRX made it. God damn. Yeah.
The racers came out the plate.
Yeah. We cleaned the headlights today. They used to be like that, or a little bit worse. They used to be a little bit worse. God damn. Hell yeah. Why does this one look smaller than mine? Shit. Dude. I need a harness bar. Look at it.
What's it look like?
Oh, it looks nice. Sitting on the ground.